Withdrawals pending? That usually means KYC isn't done. Let's fix that in 60 seconds. Start KYC on FXGT. Log into your FXGT client portal. Go to Profile, then Verification. Time to enter personal details. Fill in your personal details carefully. Your name, date of birth, and address must match your official documents. Remember, accuracy means faster approval. Now, upload your documents. Use a passport or national ID. Add a utility bill or bank statement for your address. Next, live photo verification. Take a live photo to confirm your identity. You can do this on desktop or mobile. KYC approved. Once approved, you'll see KYC verified in your portal. You'll also receive a confirmation email. You're all set. Now you can withdraw, open more accounts, and trade with confidence on FXGT.
FXGT, where traditional meets digital.